Hello friends, today's topic 25,000 crore Hyundai IPO preliminary details. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Hyundai Motors India has filed its document with SEBI for IPO approval, likely to raise around 25,000 crores through the IPO. At this valuation, company's market cap at issue price will be around 1.5 lakh crores. If Hyundai Motors raises 25,000 crores in the IPO, it will be the largest IPO in India's history. As of now, LIC IPO is the largest with 21,000 crores raised. Hyundai is India's second biggest car company after Maruti Suzuki. The IPO will not have any fresh issues of the shares. It will only be an offer for sale by the promoters. Following are some tentative details of the IPO. 1. Hyundai Motors will be selling around 17.5% stake in Hyundai Motors India. 2. Around 13% of Hyundai Motors global volume of cars is from India and around 6% of Hyundai's global revenue and profit. 3. The IPO is likely to be launched in the next 4 to 5 months around Diwali time. 4. Hyundai entered India 28 years ago and established its first Indian operations. 5. Hyundai Motors India has announced ambitious expansion plans aiming to increase annual production in India to 10 lakh units in 2025. The company plans to focus on producing affordable electric vehicles in India. Currently, it has a production capacity of 8.24 lakh crores per annum. 6. Hyundai India's market share in India is 14.5% in 2023-24. Maruti Suzuki's market share is 41.7% and Tata Motors market share 13.8%. 7. For the period April-December 2023, serial number 1, period 2022-23, 12 months, revenue 60,308 crores, profit 4,709 crores. 2. April 2023 to December 2023, 9 months, revenue 52,158 crores, profit 4,383 crores. Eighth point, it has invested more than 40,000 crores so far in its operations and has pledged to invest an additional 32,000 crores over the next 10 years. 9. Between April-December 2023, Hyundai Motors India sold 5.84 lakh cars, out of which 1.3 lakh vehicles were exported. 10. The shares of Hyundai Motors listed in its home country of South Korea rallied by around 6% today after the documents were filed with SEBI for IPO. More specific details such as finalized IPO size, IPO issue price will be announced as the company finalizes them with their advisors. There is a good chance that the valuation of the company will increase once it is listed in the stock markets. It is likely to be 1.5 lakh crores at issue price of IPO, but when listed, it could be more than 2 lakh crores. Comparison, Maruti Suzuki revenue 2023-24 1 lakh 41,858 crores, profit 13,488 crores, market cap 4.04 lakh cars. Hyundai revenue 69,000 crores, estimated profit 2024 5,800 crores, market cap 1.5 lakh crores. Maruti Suzuki's figures are more than double of Hyundai Motors India. So the market cap may also be double of Hyundai when listed. Hence, market cap could be 2 lakh crore when listed. Tata Motors and M&M are not exactly comparable to Maruti Suzuki since they have other divisions apart from cars. Since Hyundai is a very profitable company and the second largest in the sector, the demand for the IPO may be high. It is also likely to create a record as the largest IPO in the Indian history. Based on the stock market conditions, we need to see when Hyundai decides to launch its IPO. End of the video, here is the question. Which brand of car do you own? Type in the comment section. If you don't own a car, type no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.